Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So today we are going to learn about the how to send email using the PHP mailer, right? So for that one, basically how whenever we have a you want to send email to someone person, so there is a like you can say that there is a SDK, or you can see that PHP mailer. You need to install it, and then you can able to send the messages. There are certain parameters that you need to set into that part, like the you can add multiple recipients, add CCC, BCC attachments, HTML, everything that you can come up with the PHP mailer. So it's very known for the PHP that you can send the emails using this part. For that one, you have to use the composer require PHP mailer and mailer. So first of all, wherever you want to make the code, you need to copy this and install that part, right? So you can see that. Let me clear this. Okay, so by adding this part composer require, you whatever folder you have, you can just install this and it will look like this one: vendor folder, composer.json, composer.log. These files will be created, right? Okay, after that creation this part, we have to go with the next file, that we have to create a new file over here where which you have to write the code. That is this one, test.php. I have opened it. Okay, so here we have all the function that we need required to send the email to a recipient, to a particular address, to multiple. You can set it from this file, right? So these are the, you can see that these are the classes that we have used of the PHP mailer. This is the require, very important. The path should be correct. Make sure the path should be correct, else it will give you the error. Okay, this is a function PHP mailer, that is, and it is the SMTP debug server, enables verbose debug output. SMTP host here, and the host currently I'm using the Gmail SMTP, so I have mentioned the Gmail. If you use the Office, Microsoft Office, you will use other things like there are certain SMTPs that you can use, but currently I'm using the Gmail part, right? So you can use this one. There's a SendGrid also, you can also use that. Okay, so SMTP auth, that should be true. Username, password, that you need to enter over here. SMTP secured, that should be a TLS. And currently the port for the SMTP Gmail, that is 587, right? I have added. Now this is add address where you need to send the email. This is a recipient that you want to send it to, that one. So I have added the recipient, this recipient will able to receive the email on that note. Okay, else you can add the CCC, add CCC, BCC, reply to, add address. So multiple you can add the address, right? Now you can, if you want to add the attachments, so there is the mail add attachment. So you can add whatever the location you have, you can add the attachment, right? Another one. So this email is HTML, should be true. Subject that you want to send. Okay, and body that you want to make send in the body, and the alt body, this is the alt body. Okay, so if there's a function that is called send, this function will help to send the email and print the message that the mail has been sent successfully, else it will throw the error, this part. So you will confirm that the mail is going or not. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so let's have a look how it looks like. So I'm going to send the email right now. So PHP test.php, right? I'm going to send the email. Let's trigger it. So you can see that, and message has been sent. Let's see message we received or not. Let's reload this app. This is Rajni 90, you can see that. So I will go with the Mailinator again, Mailinator, because you can see that the message is sent already. So I need to go and check again. I think there is an issue in the service also. Let me check this part, because my mail is already sent. Closing connection. I can add the another email also at the same moment. Let's go and add the another one Here we have Rajni 90. I will add the Rajni 80 over here. Okay, let's save this and run this. Could not connect to the SMTP host. So you can see that some internet connection I have the issue. Let me check this one. Is it connecting or not? Um, that's the reason, because there is an internet fluctuation and my end. Okay, let's add this. The same could not connect to the SMTP host. We have added the SMTP host correctly. Where is this one? SMTP in the password means the Gmail SMTP is unable to connect. Okay, let's try again, because this is because of the internet problem. Because you can see that in the above it's working fine and we haven't changed anything. So could not connect to SM, failed to connect to the SM server, SMTP error failed. So there is a connection between the network address, get address failed, temporarily failed in the resolution. Let me switch the network and check. Now I have connected. Let's run this. Now you can see that message sent. Okay, because I'll not connect to the another one. Let's have a look. You can see that message is coming. I have sent again right now. You can see that. So it should be a 3 minute ago, but you can see the message late, but it delivered. Okay, so let's reload because it's 1 minute already. So that means it will come. Okay, because because we have changed that, right? We have changed it to Rajni 80. So let's go for it and say just now. Okay, you can see that, because you can see that in the code level we have just changed to Rajni 80. So it's coming up right now. So okay, so there is no issue. So whenever there is a issue like could not connect to the host, that means the host is busy at that moment, right? So it's not up to us. So I have tried and it's working fine. So any query, any doubt in that, just I will review the code right now so you can add it your own. Okay, it's very simple. Very, if you want to add the attachments over here, you can pass the attachment. So I will add the attachment here like dummy attachments. Okay, so I'm going to add the dummy pdf link, dummy pdf link. Okay, I'm going to dummy pdf link, dummy pdf link. Okay, I'm going to get the dummy pdf. Let's see, we'll get this one. This is dummy pdf, right? And I'm going to add as an attachment. So let's go and add this as attachment. So here I need to add this as attachment. Let me word wrap this. Okay, and enable this one. Okay, so let's see, is it in attachments or not. Let's add this again. You can see that could not access the file. This one test files is sources dummy.pdf. Message could not send a mailer, cannot access the file. It is unable to access that file. Okay, so I think we should add this from our folder. Let's have a look. You can see that in the previous it should be var emp file tar.zip or something. So we need to add this as attachment. Let's is there an attachment over here? So you can play with that attachments part, right? So if you find any if it is not working at your end, you can just let me know in the comment section. I will again do that part, right? And upload that how to add the attachments part. Okay, so any query, any doubt in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.